There are many reasons for hair loss, such as excessive amounts of sugary, fatty foods can cause your hair to fall out. After using this home remedy, you'll get super silky and glossy hair. Fast rake 4 tablespoons Multani mitti in a bowl. Multani mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, is a clay that has cleansing benefits for the skin and hair. Its naturally absorbent properties allow it to cleanse your hair of oil while remaining gentle on your skin. It can be made into a hair mask to clean and condition your hair. Add half cup yogurt. It's packed with protein, the building block of your locks. Greek yogurt also has an ingredient that helps with blood flow to your scalp and hair growth. It's called vitamin B5, known as pantothenic acid, and may even help against hair thinning and loss. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Use 1 part lemon juice to 2 parts water. Spray the lemon juice mixture directly onto your scalp or hair. Massage the juice over your hair and scalp, then let it sit on your head for about 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition your hair as normal. Add 2 tablespoons honey. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands. By moisturizing and locking in shine, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. Mix well. You can apply this remedy to your scalp and hair. Gently massage yours for a good 20 minutes. Leave it in your hair for at least 1 hour. You can apply this remedy 3 times a week, and in about 2 weeks' time, you will see a difference. Make sure you massage your scalp for 20 minutes, since this will promote a healthy blood flow, which means better circulation, which leads to faster and healthier hair growth. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.